AY multi-character, keyframing AY multi-character sliders. With AY multi-character, you can keyframe your generated look. For example, I'm going to randomize the character and I'm going to keyframe this by clicking on the add keyframe button. So as soon as I did that, you can see the keyframe had been added. Now, manually, you can also add keyframe by using I. For example, if you want to keyframe the hairstyle here, you can just use I on the keyboard, and that's going to add a keyframe to it. But the difference between doing this and using the AY keyframe button is that when you use your normal I, it doesn't keyframe the visibility of the object. It only keyframes the slider responsible for that object. But when you use the inbuilt keyframe button, it keyframes everything. So using the keyframe button, the inbuilt keyframe button is a more effective way of keyframing your object. So now that I have the slider for this look keyframed, I can go to frame 10 and then generate another interesting looking character. I think I like that, but let's see more. Okay, so, and I'm going to add another keyframe. So add a keyframe. So now I have two unique keyframes of two unique looking characters. So the advantage of this is in between my keyframe, I can have that gradual change until you get to the second look that I created. So this is cool, especially when you have an animation on this. So you can have your character performing an animation and at the same time changing looks as the frame goes by.